Hello everybody, this is Bob Caffey, Road Pro Council Member, and I'm going to talk a little bit about prepping for winter, getting you ready and the truck ready. I always change the belts and the shocks. The belts just because. Keep a fresh set of belts on, keeps your alternator where it needs to be. The shocks help with traction, and with the roads out here we encounter, they probably do wear out faster than what they used to when we had better roads. Making sure all your fluid levels are up where they need to be, your coolant, have it tested, and get it to where it's going to be able to deal with the extra cold. Just general maintenance, make sure your tires are where the pressures are where they need to be, and make sure you have cold weather gear in case you do have a breakdown, and you can stay warm while you're in that situation. Other than that, keep food in the truck, keep water, drinks, whatever you like to drink, and
Do you keep extra windshield washer fluid just in case in the truck, or do we just carry one?
carry extra windshield washer fluid. I keep
Extra windshield wiper blades too.
anti-gel and an extra pair of windshield wiper blades. So if they do ice up, you can actually take them off and put them on the floorboard under the defroster and put on a new set and keep on trucking. They're easy to change, so that's what I do. Till next time, y'all be safe out there.